Opening, pause. Imagine a world where the sky is no longer the limit. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to witness the future of aerospace technology. Transition Scene 1. Pause. First up, gaze upon this cutting-edge fighter jet as it soars through the clouds at supersonic speeds. A marvel of engineering, breaking the boundaries of what we thought possible. Watch as it releases a high-tech missile, every move calculated, every motion precise. Glide with it in slow motion, feeling the pulse of innovation as it carves its path through the sky. Truly, this is precision in motion. Transition Scene 2. Pause. Next, meet the silent sentinel of the skies, the unmanned drone. Hovering over vast landscapes, it scans the terrain with advanced sensors. Every movement deliberate, every action controlled. This isn't just technology, it's quiet efficiency and intelligence personified. Unmanned, but unstoppable. Transition Scene 3. Pause. As the drone ascends, it merges seamlessly with a network of satellites orbiting our planet. These satellites aren't just floating in space, they're synchronizing, capturing data, and sending signals across the globe. Feel the awe as we zoom out to witness this celestial ballet. This is what it means to connect the cosmos. Final scene. Pause. And now let's take a step further. Visualize a harmonious symphony of aircraft, drones, missiles, and satellites, all working together seamlessly. From the clouds to the cosmos, this is the future of aerospace technology. As we pull back to view our planet from the vastness of space, remember, this future isn't far off, it's happening today. End screen, pause. Welcome to the Aerospace Symphony. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big.